Yep, oil. So yeah, October 2021, and I just got marked Sinclair C5 in for some work. So it needs potentially electronics fixed on it, a normal service of the gearbox, the wheel bearings, definitely a clean, and then also some nice accessories as well, which is just down here. So yeah, put it around the Sinclair C5 just to sort of see what state it's in. So yeah, white boot model, one key sticker on there, all looks good. There's one clip in there, which is cool, perfect. Around here we've got a nice rear light, a couple of scuffs on it, but otherwise it's a nice solid rear light. Centre caps in place, a few scuffs. No sort of obvious damage at the back end of it. Very dirty and grubby, but looks good. Motor's fallen off the gearbox. Nothing major, clearly. Just something to be aware of. Mark's aware of that, but we'll sort that anyway. Electronics. I was thinking, it's looks like it's still sealed on here, which is good. I did try and sort of give it a little pull, but yeah, it does look like it's sealed. So hopefully it's not being touched inside, other than checking for fuses and stuff. Tyres look really bad actually. Now you look closely, I don't know if it comes well on there, but they're actually really bad. So we're going to replace the tyres as well. Definitely worth doing. Otherwise, it just looks dirty and disgusting, but totally fine. Missing the bits here, so we'll be contacting the boy Graham Garlick, see if he can help us out with any of those bits. He knows about that. Clean underneath there, which is cool. Nothing on there. One micro switch there. Brakes feel good. We're going to replace this here with the quick release connectors. Got the strap in, I'll just bend that straight, which looks fine. Got a nice metal switch there. Cool, nothing on that side of course. On here we've got a 1985 February 2654. Really nice serial number, love that. All the bits and pieces are here, which is good. That's come off, so we'll fix that. I think that's actually probably where Mark put the LED light in, so that's cool. That all sounds good. Pod looks good. A few sort of scuff marks around here. Not bad at all, not bad. A few scuffs around here, usual sort of thing. Nice headlight, a couple of sort of marks and stuff on here, but otherwise that looks like a good headlight. Nice stickers. Got a bit of creasing and stuff on the side stickers, but pretty good. I'm going to give it a token clean over, cut this to shape, minor things like that. Look underneath here. Yeah, front wheel cap obviously is there. Lots of spider webs and crap. Tyre doesn't look too bad, but again, Mark will have his tyres back, and you know, you can just keep them in a box basically. The front one actually, you know, could be one that might be worth cleaning up. The back ones do look pretty minging, so the back ones could be for the bin, but we'll see. But yeah, that looks pretty good. Look underneath here. Yeah, and that's not a bad chassis at all. Original chain tensioner, that's pretty nice. It's disgustingly dirty, but honestly, that is pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Cool. Okay, excellent. Accessories. So, we've got the John Webster kits, front and rear disc brake kits. So thank you, John, for that. I know we need the brake cables for that. Hopefully everything else I think should be there. Superb. And then we've got the Steve Gilbert 3D resin printed items as well. We've got his new indicators, which are very nice. I did notice that we're just missing the foam pieces for these ones. I did have a look in the box. Don't think they're in the box, but I think we're just missing the foam pieces for those. And he's also got some sort of new template in here as well, which is different from the clear ones which I fitted. So I think this is probably the template here, purely based on the fact that that's the shape of it. So yeah, a bit different from the ones I got, the clear ones. And then wow, these are the lads. Lovely resin printed indicators, sorry, mirrors with the indicators built in. I mean, my god, those look top notch. And I say the same design as my ones I got the other day, the prototypes as well. So yeah, those look fancy as well. That's it. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, a few accessories. I know we've got the flasher in there, we've got the switch. I need to talk to Graham and see if he can print me off the switch bracket as well as a pair of those. Excellent, all good stuff. So yeah, we'll crack on with that. It was a bit of a Sinclair C5 party at the moment. Yeah, looking good. Nice one. Yep, so we've got the Sinclair C5 on the stand. Just done the connectors. I'm just resting it here because of the way angle it is. All on nice and neat, heat shrinked. Moved the wiring loom as well to get that extra capacity. Powered it up. Really nice that these are on, nice and bright. They haven't gone off yet. It's been on for about 3 or 4 minutes. That's good news. One fault here: red light is on, stays on, and when you throttle it, it goes a bit brighter. So there's a problem with that there, and it's not going down to the other ones when it goes up to speed. So definitely a problem with the left hand side, but the main thing is it's good, it powers up. Motor sounds really nice. We might have possibly a buckled axle, possibly, or a buckled wheel, hopefully. I don't think it's just a tyre. I think, you know, I'll take it off, investigate it, take the tyres off, we're going to do it anyway, check out the wheel, see what the situation is, but it's basically wobbling. So if I show you this on throttle, stops that, and there's no play in the wheel, so there's definitely something, you know, with that. So yeah, like I said to you, it could be just not on completely right, which is unlikely.